Alright, so my first post is going to be to the rough draft of how to navigate Trulia.com to narrow your search down as far as real estate goes to find your home or apartment you're looking for. First, you're going to enter Trulia, Trulia.com in the address bar. Brings you to the home page. Here you have the option to search to buy homes, rent homes. You can do a mortgage overview or mortgage, get pre-qualified through them. You can calculate a mortgage as well. That's just basically talking about how much money you wanted to put down and how much your payments would be per month, basically. So for the rough draft, I'm just going to kind of do a vague search. If this wasn't auto-populated, I would enter my zip code or city I'm in, which is 33948. Search under buy, and it's going to bring up a new page of all the listings in that area. I believe it does a good amount of mile radius, as you can see there, probably a good 30-mile radius. I'm sure you can shrink it down as well. We'll get to that later on in the blog as I post more to this project. But yeah, so for the rough draft, I just wanted to do a vague search in the city, and as you can see, I am in the zip code location that I entered in, and all the listings come up on the left-hand side. You can scroll through all the listings, and pretty much scroll until you find one you like. Later on, we'll talk about how you can narrow down the prices of the houses. As you can see, it jumps. I mean, they go all the way from 139,000 to 274, and I'm sure there's a lot of houses on there that are worth a lot more. But later on in the project, we'll learn how to narrow down that search to search within your budget. Alrighty, thank you.